Welcome back, everyone. How's it going? I'm Badamosi Omalola, and if you're ready to master your money and set goals that actually stick, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling your money milestones, how to set and achieve financial goals that stick. This isn't just about setting goals, it's about building a life where your financial goals become realities. From small wins to big dreams, I'll walk you through every step to make it happen. By the end, you'll have a game plan, full of practical steps to get you closer to financial freedom. Imagine having enough saved to make any major life decision confidently. What's that goal for you? Comment below and let's kick off the journey together. Now, think about what your path to true financial freedom would feel like to you. No more stress about unexpected bills or big expenses. Imagine waking up every day knowing you're one step closer to your dreams. Whether it's traveling the world, starting a business, buying a home, or simply having that peace of mind, it all begins here with solid, achievable goals. And trust me, it's not as hard as it seems. So grab a notebook, or maybe just type it in your phone, and jot down what that big financial dream looks like for you. We're going to take it piece by piece, breaking it down so that every single one of us here gets closer to that big picture. Ready to start this journey? Let's dive in and make it happen together. Let's start with making your goals clear and specific. A goal without clarity is just a wish. To make it stick, follow the SMART method: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," try, "I want to save $300 or 500,000 naira for my first investment within 12 months. This is specific, it has a number, and you know when you want to achieve it by. Take a moment to write down one financial goal using the SMART framework. Think about a realistic timeline. Don't make it too easy, but challenge yourself. Got it? Great. Now you're one step closer to achieving it. And remember, the clearer you are, the easier it is to stay focused and track your progress. Picture it like setting your GPS. Knowing exactly where you're headed helps you avoid getting lost along the way. So, go ahead, take that first step and write down your goal. This is where the journey begins, and you've got this. And keep that goal where you can see it daily, a little reminder of the big wins ahead. Big goals can feel intimidating, right? But if you break them into smaller milestones, they feel way more achievable. These milestones become checkpoints that keep you motivated and give you a sense of progress. Let's say your goal is to save for a new business. If you need $1,000 or 1 million naira in 2 years, break it down into smaller chunks. That's about $500 or 500,000 naira per year, around $20 or 40,000 naira per month. Doesn't that feel more manageable? Every time you hit that monthly target, you're moving closer to the big picture. Pause right here and set up your first milestone. It could be a weekly or monthly savings goal, an amount you're working towards, or even a percentage of your target. Let us know in the comments what your first milestone is. Now that you have milestones, it's time to track your progress consistently. This step keeps you accountable and makes sure you're moving forward. Set a reminder on your phone or use an app to check in on your goals monthly. Imagine you've set a monthly goal of saving $7 or 10,000 naira. Every week, check in to see how close you are. If you missed a week, adjust your plan to catch up. Tracking gives you real-time feedback and a sense of control over your finances. Apps like Mint or even a simple Google Sheet can be your best friend here. And here's a tip: reward yourself for meeting milestones along the way, even if it's something small. Celebrating each step can make the journey a lot more enjoyable. Remember, every little bit you save and track today brings you that much closer to your goals tomorrow. Plus, don't forget to look back and appreciate how far you've come. It's all part of the journey. Got a tracking system in place? Awesome. Share what you're using in the comments, and let's keep each other accountable. Let's talk about automating your savings. Saving money can be tough with all of life's expenses, so make it easier by setting up an automatic transfer. Think of it like paying yourself first. When your paycheck comes in, a portion automatically goes to your savings. Let's say you want to save $14 or 20,000 Naira monthly. Set an auto transfer right after payday so you're not tempted to spend it. Over time, you'll barely notice it's gone, but you'll see your savings grow fast. This is the strategy many successful savers use. And here's the beauty of automation: it's one less thing you have to think about. No more wondering where your money went at the end of the month. It's already done for you, and you're building wealth without even trying. This can work for more than just savings too. Consider automating payments to your debts or investments. It's like putting your financial goals on autopilot. Have you tried automating your savings? Drop a yes in the comments if you have, or if you're excited to start now. Consistency is key to achieving any financial goal. Some days, it might feel like your goals are moving slowly. But remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Consistency is about showing up, even on days you don't feel like it. Think of it like running a marathon step by step, mile by mile, even when it gets tough. The most important thing is to keep moving forward. If you get knocked off track, don't be too hard on yourself. Life happens, and sometimes you need to adjust. But that doesn't mean you failed. You'll face moments where it feels like you're not seeing results as quickly as you'd like. But that's okay. The key is to stay in the game. The more you stick to the plan, the more momentum you build. You'll see those small steps add up to big changes. Let's say your goal is to save $10 or 15,000 Naira per month, but an unexpected expense pops up. You don't have to give up. Adjust, save what you can, and get back on track the next month. A slight pause doesn't mean stopping. Keep your eye on the big picture. And remember, setbacks are just setups for comebacks. Remember, every effort counts. Even on days when it feels hard, keep pushing forward. You're building good habits that will pay off in the long run. Whenever you feel like giving up, remind yourself of the ultimate goal. Comment "keep going" below if you're staying consistent. Celebrating your milestones isn't just fun, it keeps you motivated. Rewards remind you why you're working hard and give you a mental boost. It's okay to treat yourself when you hit a savings goal, finish paying off debt, or reach a new milestone. But don't just wait for the big wins to celebrate. Celebrate the small wins, too. Every step forward is worth recognizing. Maybe you saved a little extra this week, or you cut back on an impulse purchase. That's progress too, and it deserves recognition. Let's say you've managed to save your first $100 or 100K towards your goal. Treat yourself to something small, like a nice meal or a day out. This is your hard work paying off. Celebrate each win, big or small, to stay motivated and energized. Celebrating your progress creates positive reinforcement, reminding you that each step brings you closer to financial freedom. And when the going gets tough, those small celebrations keep you pushing forward. Everyone, what's one reward you'd love to give yourself when you hit a goal? Let me know below. So, that's it. Today, we covered setting realistic financial goals, breaking them down, tracking progress, automating savings, staying consistent, and rewarding ourselves. Your goals are closer than you think with this roadmap. If this video helped, hit that like button. Thumbs up sign. Don't miss more finance tips. Subscribe.